Hey ladies, it's me, April, and I have a collab for y'all today. This is a very old collab that I never posted because I thought I lost the footage when I was going ahead and deleting my phone, pictures and stuff off my phone. I noticed I still had this video and I was like, shucks, let me post this thing real quick. So pretty much all you're going to be seeing is just me trying to, you know, um, make decals for y'all so you guys can see how I did it. I already had made the Selena logo and also the rose already on the bottom part of the mat, but I was just showing you here on how I was doing it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start working on the decals. So I went ahead and put on my top coat. The top coat that I normally use for decals is out the door, and the only reason is because it's very flexible to me, so I really like using that. Alright, so like always, I'm going to go ahead and use the Orly Bonder. That stuff is awesome when you're trying to put on decals. It's, just sticks better, and I just prefer to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and place it on, and then how I place my decals on is I use my clear stamper to, you know, be able to see it. So as you'll see, you will see me putting the decal on my stamper, and it's just easier for me to be able to um, position it just perfect. So here I am putting the decal on the stamper. Hey guys, I'm back. All right, so pretty much here I am placing the letters one by one. It was very tedious because on my thumb, I don't know if you be able to see it, but I had put como la, and then on my index finger, I am putting flor, because that is one of her songs that she sings. And the way I was positioning my hand, you would be able to see the como la flor on there, and with the two roses. So I really, really hope you like this manicure. And I really do appreciate guys for following and subscribing. And please give me a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye.